Hello friends, welcome back to another amazing video. In this video I am going to let you know how you can use paint. In first part we learned the basic tools. Let's suppose how to use text tool, how to use pencil tool, how to use magnifier, and how to use eraser tool. So friends, this is going to be the part number 2. In this part we are going to learn the basic tools like brushes, the basic shapes, the size of, how to change the size of pencil, how to change the size of text tool, how you can create some design. In the next part we will learn how we can create some flag of some country. So friends, let's jump to our video right now, and now I am going to draw the most basic thing that is called as brushes. So friends, here is the our last video, you can say as last video's page. So we drew some text and painting on this one. So friends, let's suppose we want to create a new page. What will I do? I will just come to file, and you can see you can create new file from here, or you can also press Ctrl N. So I'm going to click on new file, and you can see here is the our old file that is asking us to change, to make some change or not. So I do not want to save it. So here is the friend, our second file is opened now. Here is the brushes friends. You can see first of all I will come up with this brush, this one, and we will know how we can use this brush. This is sorry, my I am not well today. Okay friends, this is the airbrush. So you can see what will I do. I will just drag, I will press left click of my mouse, and I can drag from here as well, and I can draw some shapes. Let's suppose I want to change the size of my brush. Here is the smallest size, here is the small size, here is the medium size, and here is the large size. So friends, I want to select this one, and you can see I am just dragging and my brush is working now. As far as I will move it again and again, I will drag my brush on it again and again. It will paint again and again, and it will come up with a solid color with 100% opacity results output. So friends, you can see this was called as airbrush. Sorry, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just select all and delete it, and I want to let you know about this second brush that is called as calligraphy brush 2. So friends, if you have some idea of calligraphy, in let's suppose I want to let you know calligraphy art. In mostly it is used for Arabic purpose, Arabic ayat, for writing Arabic words and ayat as well. So you can see it is just looking very beautiful. So I am not an expert in calligraphy, so I cannot use it very well, but I want to just show you. If you want to use, you can use from here as well. You can change its size, and you can drag it like this one. It is just amazing, and I will highly recommend you to learn this one because it is just amazing. Here is the rubber tool, you can say as eraser tool as well. I will select all and I will press delete. Friends, here is another brush that is called as calligraphy brush number 1. It is very perfect brush. I will rate it 8 by 10 because you can see it is really looking very beautiful, and you can use for your any of the calligraphy work. So let's suppose I want to write some word Ahmed. So you can see it is just perfect, and I can drag it like this one. I'm not an expert of calligraphy, but I want to show you how you can use it. Delete it again, and here is the brush that is, you can also say it as a basic brush. You can change its size, color like this one, and you can drag it according to your required condition. Here are some also amazing brushes friends. You can use it, and you can drag it, and it will just very beautiful dimension. I will highly recommend you to use these brushes for drawing some paintings, for drawing some pictures, for drawing some house pictures, some any of the purpose you can use this one. You can, let's suppose I want to turn it to green. I will select green color and I will drag it like this one. You can see it is really looking very beautiful, like the plants, flowers as well, or plants leaves as well. It's really looking very beautiful. What will I do? I will select all and I will just go to delete, and this was the part number 2. And another basic thing that I want to show you, here are some basic you can say shapes that you can use. I want to draw a star and I can use this one. I can fill up some color. Here is the fill up tool. I will select the color which I want to pick and I will click here. You can see it just looking very beautiful. You can choose some other shape like this one as well. You can draw some star. You can choose its color which you want to print. This is really amazing and very amazing. You want to draw some shape like this one. This is I think some arrow, and you can choose your you can choose your color and you will drop here. And friend, you can see it is very simple to use. It is really very easy to use. You need nothing to do. You will select just basic brush tool and you can do more some things, like I will select this one and I will select this one. You can see it is really very beautiful dimension and beautiful design, and I will highly recommend you to use this brush for your personal use as well and for your projects. There are many other brushes like this one, and like I think I have not used this one as well. I have done, and this is the last one I think so, and it is really very low opacity brush. So friend, you can see it was very basic introduction of brushes as well, and how we can change the size of brushes, how we can use shapes as well, and we also learned how we can use these beautiful shapes for drawing some pictures, for drawing some you can see say as shapes, for drawing some stars and much more. And I wish you will get some idea how you can use these tools. I will come up with some other video in which we will draw some flag of any country like Indonesia or Japan as well. So thanks for watching.